Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share a very beautiful experience with all of you. Our year-end family holiday trip. This time, I'm going to tell the story from my point of view. Because for me, December always feels extra special. As a teacher, I get a long vacation in December. Our kids also get holidays from school during the same time. So December becomes the perfect month for us to slow down, take a break from routines, and enjoy some peaceful family time together. In this video, I'll share our entire holiday journey in 10 simple parts. I hope you enjoy listening to our story. Planning the beginning of the excitement. Every beautiful holiday starts with planning. And in our home, planning itself feels like a little celebration. I first check my school calendar and tell my husband the exact dates when I'm free. The kids know their schedule too. So once we confirm the vacation period, the happiness slowly starts building. We all sit together discussing where to go. The kids give countless suggestions, sometimes hilarious ones. Let's go see snow. Let's go to a beach. Let's stay in the jungle. Their plan changes almost every day. I personally love peaceful places. Mountains, gardens, quiet spots, where I can relax and forget about schoolwork. My husband then searches for a destination that suits all of us. He checks the weather, hotels, distance, and activities for the kids. Sometimes these discussions go on for days. But that's what makes the planning so joyful. Packing the fun chaos. Packing is another adventure. The kids pack their toys and books first. I fold clothes neatly and get everything organized. My husband packs last and still ends up forgetting something important. But this confusion, the checking and rechecking, and the excitement, it all makes us feel like the holiday has already started. The day of the journey. Finally, the big day arrives. The kids wake up even before the alarm. Something that never happens on school days. I make sure we've packed everything. Snacks, jackets, medicines, chargers, water. I double-check it all. We start the journey with happy faces. December weather is always pleasant, and the road feels calm. On the way, we talk, laugh, listen to music, and sometimes just enjoy the silence. We stop for small breaks. The kids buy chips and chocolates. I enjoy a hot cup of tea. And my husband takes little videos and photos. Even before reaching, we already feel relaxed. Reaching the destination. Arriving at the destination gives a special kind of happiness. The kids look outside and shout, "Wow! Look at this!" I smile and say, "Finally, we reached safely." We check into the hotel. The kids run around the room, choose their beds, and check the balcony view. I look around and say, Yes, this feels comfortable. We sit for a while. Drink water. Breathe deeply. And let the stress melt away. At that moment, we feel fresh, happy, and grateful. Exploring the place. The next morning, everyone is excited. We visit viewpoints, gardens, markets, beaches, parks, temples, and many beautiful attractions. The kids walk ahead quickly, waiting for us to catch up. I walk slowly, enjoying the nature around me. Taking photos becomes a big event. The kids give funny poses. I give proper ones. And my husband takes multiple shots until he gets the perfect one. The weather changes suddenly. A little breeze, a bit of sunlight, or a light drizzle. But everything feels beautiful. Every moment feels new. Food adventures. Food is one of the best parts of any trip. We try local dishes. Some spicy. Some sweet. Some completely new. The kids start with simple food and slowly become adventurous. I love trying new vegetarian dishes. I always tell my husband, I want something local and healthy. He enjoys everything. Snacks, sweets, juices, desserts. Even a small roadside tea stall feels special during holidays. In the evenings, we share snacks in the room. And these little moments become cherished memories. Activities and fun. Kids enjoy every activity. Running, playing, jumping, or trying new games. I prefer peaceful things, like walking, photography, or watching the sunset. My husband chooses activities that we can all do together. Boating, cycling, trekking, or simple fun games. Sometimes we compete. Sometimes we help each other. But every moment brings smiles. Even if we get tired, we feel happy. Evening bonding. After a long day, we sit in the balcony or room, drinking tea or juice. We talk about the day. The kids share their favorite moments. I tell what I enjoyed. My husband listens with a smile. Then come the fun games. Cards, board games, dumb charades, guessing games. We laugh a lot. These small activities create strong family bonding. Emotional moments. Holidays make us realize how busy life usually is. School, work, responsibilities. But during holidays, we slow down. We talk. We listen. We spend real time together. I look at my husband and kids and think, these are the moments that truly matter. These memories stay in our hearts forever. The last day. The final day arrives quickly. We pack again. This time with extra shopping bags. The return journey feels calm. The kids are tired but happy. I look at photos on my phone. My husband thinks about the best parts of the trip. We feel a little sad, but deeply grateful. Back home. Once we reach home, the holiday continues in our thoughts. The kids share stories with their friends. I tell everything to my colleagues. My husband prepares this video for all of you. These memories stay with us the whole year and bring smiles whenever we think about them. Every December, we get a chance to create new memories. And every year, we feel more connected as a family. Thank you so much for watching this long story. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, comment your favorite holiday memory, and subscribe to the channel for more such stories. Take care. And remember, the best moments in life are the moments spent with family.